Iban na naman ni Bigo to. Big nice guys, shout out. Thank you for it now. Thank you. Timok na. Timok. Bye. Oh, i-block kita para back to one. Hi, CG, Buhawi, shoutout. Bamer, hello. Thank you for the guest. Thank you for the guest. Pahingi 1K. Pahingi. Bigyan kita 1K, pahingi 4K. Thank you for the kiss. Thank you for the kiss. G, oh, bagsak mo na yung 4K. Thank you for the gift. 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 Thank you for the rose. 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 Drop me everyone. Thank you, Kraken. The first time wasn't enough for me, baby. So even to that's not. Let's play out fantasies. Come on, right around top of your sheets. You're right, baby. You're my truck. You keep me high. Follow back. Sige po, Boss M. Okay na po. Thank you for follow me. Thank you for follow me. Thank you for follow me. Hoy, bagsakan nyo. Ganda ko, guys. So, konting kimbot na lang to, guys. So, pakutahin mo na ako, guys. Para makatulog naman na ako. Pagod na ako sa life ko. Don't you like when I come around? You like when I come around you? Hi, David. Good morning. Thank you for the rose. 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 Thank you for the heart. 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 Ganun yun. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the flower. 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 Give me 100. Give me 100. 100. Ay. 1K. Guys, give it 100. Pag 100, ganun. Thank you. Thank you, David. Thank you for the rose. 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 Thank you for the r Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the Ayan, ayan, magpakasama. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for 93. Okay. Thank you for the rose. 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 Thank you for the rose, 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 thank you for the rose. Naubos na yung hininga. Thank you for the rose, 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 thank you for the rose. Give me 100. 120 ganon. That's okay. Thank you, baby David. 100. Ayaw nyo ng ganon. Boss sir, shout out. Drop me. Help me, everyone. I need your help, everyone. So please help me reach my quota. Good morning. Good morning, Boss Art. Boss Art pa yung 200. Sige na, Boss Art. Para 5K na lang kulang ko, Boss Art. Boss Art, 5. 200. Wala ako, Bin. Yun lang. Okay lang yan, Boss Art. Better luck next time. Guys! Dito na ako work. Ingat, Boss Art. Drop me 200, guys, for... I need... Thank you for the love. 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 Thank you for the I love you. 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 Thank you for I love you. Thank you for I love you. Thank you for I love you. Only one more. It's okay. 20, 100, 100 ha. I love you ha. So 20 times. Ganon. Thank you for I love you. Thank you Guys, drop me. I need help. Share me your blessing. Guys, you want show me the sa hot dance. Drop me 1K. I want drop 1K for change my outfit like this. Like this. For my change outfit for my 1K. Take a photo. Tap, 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 share, 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 tap, 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 share, 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 tap, 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 share, 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 tap, tap, share, share, share. Thank you, David, for sharing your blessing. I really appreciated the gift. Thank you so much. God bless you always, sister. Thank you for the rose. 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 Rosemar Jacobert. Drop, 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 kiss me, drop, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Pwede na lang, 60. Baby doggy, hello. Leslie, hi Leslie. Sim, Boss Leslie, shout out. Apa, annyeonghaseyo. Annyeong. Crazy as I always. No, I'm not crazy. Not crazy. Maybe a little bit. Tres is Mr. Bells. Yeah. I remember you for Step, my friend, Steffi. Why you change your name? Mr. Bells. What? I don't know. The pretty woman and pretty boobs, body and way like that. You have amnesia? I don't remember. I have what? Yes, I have amnesia. Malaysia. I remember me. My name is Yang. 26 years old from Manila. My height is 5'5". How are you, Mr. Bell? How are you today? It is good, it's not. Good, good. May I'm not good. Because I need reach pa my Cora. Mr. Best, help me. Give it to back, give it to back. Guys, drop me, drop. I help you, you help me. Okay, no problem. What will help you? What I... Bukas na lang tayo mag-usap, okay? What do you need? Oh, sumasakit ang aking ulo. I need some energy. What energy? What energy? Like this? Like that? I always energy. Oh, energy. Energy drink. Wait. You got you are. Hi, Taddy. Drop me. Good morning, Jake. Hi, Jake. Jake, ikaw na ba ang magbibigay sa akin ng 100 for today? Hi, Takyu. Takyu. Hi, Takyu. Good morning. Welcome to my stream. Patid, RL, shoutout. Patid, shoutout. Guys, give me 100 para mag 3K na to. Oh. Give it to me. Ayaw nyo? Tapong ko kayo. Jay! Patay Jay, shoutout. Wait. Hi, Carlitos. David, welcome back. I follow back you, David. Thank you for following me. Hi, Sampu. Sapnu. Sapnu. Kalisod, magira magbasa-basa sa malang. I'm Japanese, but I look forward to working with you. Oh, do you understand Tagalog? Tension. You're welcome always. Putang ina, mahirap mag-English ba dito? Gagalisod-lisod na nga tita ng mga diputa. Uy. Mag-aral muna. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose card. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you for, ano tawag doon? Rabbit? Thank you for the rabbit. 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 Tama na. Only 200 for my dance. You want to show me the dance? Go. Ang hirap, nagasakit na yung ulo ko ba? Pagod kasi ako. Thank you. Sapnu. Sapnu. What's your name? Sapnu. Guys, help me my Cora. I really need more 60. Kanina kilikili ko. Pakikamot. Just call me Daddy. Okay. Hi, Daddy. Sweaty ka. You call you daddy? Daddy! Daddy, give it to me! Daddy, give it to me! Daddy! Well, daddy! 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 Kalame! Kalame! Lagi! Unsay kalame! Ay, di po tayo! Yawa! Drop me, guys! Guys! Drop! Malay mo si Daddy! Lesim! Si Daddy na yung magbibigay sa akin ng 1,000. I have so much for you. More! Pagod na ako, guys. Maawa. Wala kayo, oh. Pa-birthday na sa akin. Paki-check po. Save it all. All. Send it all. Wait lang. Dep na, guys. Ayaw mo. I want to one dance for you, everyone. Wait for me. I will sell my car. Naku, you buy Lesim. Binibenta niya yung car niya. Eto na, bagsakan niyo ako ha. Pag ako din yung binagsakan eh.
I'm about to make you spread your legs. This time I'm coming at you. I ran it up, I bought the check out, proper check out. Talking on my east side shit, and I won't quit. To all my niggas going the shit, me your money's up. The last thing that she doing is pulling her panties up and fucking them Bentley truck. This the BYT, pretty young thing, right? Back as fuck, show out for me. Show it from cash. I gotta tell her not that she know the protocol.
Ayoko na. Wait lang, maglalagay ako.
I'm excited. I'm usually one of the hypers, tonight I'm the nicest. Yeah. You got that shit on, I like it, you one of the flyers. I run with them killers, so niggas, they better not try it. I jumped out the jungle, I'm kicking this bitch like a lion, hey. My rosary water, I'm making a movie like Lion, yeah. You ain't talking about business, I ain't got time to waste. You know time's ticking, trying to make a million different ways. Shawty's a natural, yeah. So much better than nothing. She gonna call it easy. Oh, easy. Shawty's a natural, yeah. So much better than nothing. She gonna call it
That's 5 out of 10. Now, because if you want to remove this, drop me. Kailangan nating kumita. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Isa pa. Nagahirapan nyo, good ako na. Tataas ko to pag binigyan nyo ko dito ng kiss me. Ayun! Ayun! Thank you!
Everybody says time heals all pain. The time itself caused you change. Never thought you'd quit, said you wanted to commit. But you didn't embrace it as your better been no. I thought our intellect had us intertwined.